Welcome to our exciting comparison of two popular nugget ice makers, the Kismile and the Silonn. Both machines promise to deliver delicious chewable ice for your drinks. But which one is the best choice for your home or office? Let's dive into their features and see how they stack up against each other. When it comes to pricing, the Kismile Nugget Ice Maker is priced at $219, making it the more budget-friendly option compared to the Silonn, which retails for $249. For those looking to save a bit while still enjoying high-quality nugget ice, Kismile offers a compelling choice. In terms of daily ice output, the Kismile machine boasts a capacity of 35 pounds per day, slightly edging out the Silonn's 33 pounds. This makes Kismile a great option for larger gatherings or frequent use, ensuring you have plenty of chewable ice on hand. The Silonn Nugget Ice Maker shines with its impressive ice-making speed, producing the first batch in approximately 6 minutes. While the Kismile's speed isn't specified, the Silonn's quick turnaround time is a significant advantage for those who want ice ready in a hurry. In conclusion, both the Kismile and Silonn Nugget Ice Makers have their unique strengths. The Kismile is the better choice for budget-conscious consumers who need a higher daily output, while the Silonn offers faster ice production and user-friendly features. Whichever you choose, you'll be enjoying delicious nugget ice in no time. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.